it's been a while since I had my last vlog. So today, help me unbox the Michael Kors limited edition Sofie stainless watch. I just received it from the mail to JNT Express. Locally shipped by JNT Express from USA. Then it was received by the distributor here in Cebu. So here it is. It's supposed to be through LBC, but they prepare the JNT, I guess. So here it is now. Let's open it. It has the paper bag. That's it. So here is the watch. And wow, this is the watch itself. This Michael Kors Sofie watch has the item code of MK3945. It has 36 millimeter diameter and a thickness of 8 millimeter. It has an overall pave dial with peacock design details. So with the strap over here. Wow, it's really very nice. Okay, let's try to remove. It's made from a gold-plated stainless steel. It's not that big, unlike my previous MK watches. So right now I'm wearing the Invicta. This is my daily watch with a white strap. So let's try this one. But obviously it's a bit bigger, so we need to go to a watch shop to have it adjusted. Oh, it's very nice. That's how you open it. And yeah, as usual, it has the care card, the price tag, and this is actually a water resistant up to 160 feet or 50 meter. This is suitable for quick swim, but not for diving or snorkeling. Yeah, you can actually check the price of this through eBay or other online shop, which range from I think around $100 or $200 something. So it's up to you to check which one sells the cheapest, because Michael Kors have sales every now and then. But for this one, this is a limited edition with the peacock design. So probably you won't be able to find it much, but only on selected shops. So I'm very lucky I was able to have one. and I'm very happy. It's so nice. The details is great. Okay, I will share to you some details after the video. So please comment down below what do you think of this watch. If you have one, how you use it, because for me, I only use it occasionally. I have my watch for daily use like this one with a leather strap, but my MK watches, I only use it on special occasions or whenever I want to. Yeah, so that's it, the Michael Kors Sofie limited edition analog watch. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.